Hello everyone. Today we are covering the remaining question of commerce paper of Maharashtra set. So our first question, which of the following is not a function performed by a financial system? So the answer is social function. Question number 32, which of the following statement is not the assumption of Modi Kilani Miller approach? So option number D is correct. Personal leverage and corporate leverage are not perfect substitute. The next question, the process of converting cash flow into present equitable is called discounting. Question number 34, which of the following factor does not affect on the capital structure of the company? So option number D, dilution of control. The next question, Dr. Gupta purchased 400 share of Glaxo Limited at rupees 69 each on 15th October 2014. He paid brokerage of 600. The company paid dividend as follow. So on June 800, 2016 1000, on 2017 1200. So he sold his holding for 34,500 on 15th October 2017. What is the annual return? So option number A, 16.67. You can get the explanation on our Telegram channel. So please join this. The next question, the method of raising equity capital from existing member by offering security on pro rata basis is referred to as option number B, right issue. The next question, below dash level of sales, NPV is negative and above this level, the NPV is positive in multinational capital budgeting. So option number D, break even. The next question, nominal interest rate is the product of, so option number A, real interest rate and rate of inflation. Question number 39, international capital budgeting incorporate, the option number B is correct, financial and non-financial factor. The next question, multilateral investment guarantee agency, MEGA. So option number A is correct, it is a sister institution of World Bank. The next question, question number 41, 42, 43, 44. These all are numerical questions, so you can get their explanation on our Telegram channel. So we move to next question, question number 50, 45. So which of the following statement is always true for Poisson distribution? So option number B, mean is equals to variance. So the question number 46, for testing equality of two population proportions we use dash test. So option number A is correct, F test. Question number 47, in one way analysis of variance, suppose there are k treatment and n is the total number of observation, then the degree of freedom for error sum of square will be. So option number C is correct, nk minus 1. Question number 48, as sample size increases, sampling error decreases. So next question 49, dash means the practice of taking someone else's work or idea and passing them as one's own. So option number A, plagiarism is correct. Then the next question, the advantage of dash is that it avoid reinventing the wheel of research work. So option number B, review of literature. Question number 51, the book Human Side of Enterprise is authored by, so option number C is correct, Douglas McGregor. The next question, dash is not the example of inherited characteristic. So option number A, intelligence is correct. Question number 53, for performance appraisal, dash prefer to use term staff. So option number C is correct, Levinson. Question number 54, dash is not characteristic features of informal organization. So option number D is correct. Informal organization is hierarchical, pyramid shape and bureaucratic in structures with well-defined position. The next question, question number 55, dash cannot be considered as the ethical principle. So option number A is correct, scaredness of means and ends. Question number 56, which one of the following is not factors that increase resistance to change? So option number D is correct, participation and involvement of employees. Question number 57, which one of the following is not true about the delegation of authority? Delegation of authority may be, option number C is correct, precise or vague. Then question number 58, zero-based budgeting is the new approach to budgeting which was introduced by Peter Paher. Question number 59, which one of the following is not the external factors affecting recruitment? So option number C is correct, cultural. Question number 60, the word organizational development was coined in the mid 1950s by Richard Beckard. The next question, question number 61, the best procedure for opening an account in the name of minor X and the guardian Y would be under style. So option number B, is correct. X account minor. Question number 62. The Bankers Fair Code Practice Code was brought out in June 2004 by, so option number A is correct, IBA, Indian Bankers Association. The next question, which one of the following is not a quantitative measures of risk? So option number C is correct, risk measurement based on downside potential. The next question, dash is the credit limit for funded or non-funded business allowed by bank or financial institution to other banks or government to other parties. So option number A, line of credit. Question number 65, not negotiable, crossing in warning to the, so option number C is correct, holder. So it is our last question. So today we have completed almost 35 questions. So if you have any doubt in any question, you can tell us on our comment box. Also you can get the PDF on our Telegram channel. So thank you so much for watching our video. Bye bye.